Hi car friends, in this video I will show a very short video how to update the maps for the navigation. To do the update you need correct maps and a FSC code. Make sure to purchase the correct and legal maps and FSC code. But before we go into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I can get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you. So to the video. Enjoy. First check what maps and version you have today by looking in the option menu. Then purchase correct maps and a valid FSC code. Download the maps to a USB memory with at least 32 GB. Insert the USB memory in the USB port in the glove box and an option will automatically appear on screen to start the update. Next step is to enter the FSC activation code. After that the installation will begin. Now it's finished and the navigation system will reboot. Check that the correct maps has been installed. Done.